Hello everybody, you're very welcome to our second webinar in this series of six webinars which we're running based around XERO and related topics. So what we're going to talk about today, the heading of the webinar is how to get paid faster with XERO and how it can help speed cash flow. By way of introduction, I suppose cash flow and getting paid, from speaking to business owners and in particular small business owners, it's invariably the problem they complain to me about most. So I suppose just to get things moving, I think we'll just start with a few pointers on how you can get paid faster. Then we'll move over and show you a few things in XERO and how they can help us achieve those aims. So, right, well, to get paid faster, there are a number of simple things which you should be doing. First of all, before you start, you need to sort of agree terms. And what you should be saying to yourself is, when am I going to get paid? So before you start any job or supply any goods, what you should be asking yourself in plain English is, when am I going to get paid, and get moving from there. So moving onwards then, the other thing I find people, small business owners, they're slow to invoice. So, you're going to improve your chances of quick payment if you're able to invoice immediately. So we'll see in a while how you can do that in XERO. I suppose another important thing is, you can help matters if you get, money up front, say half or a third or up front, or agree some sort of stage payment plan. So, if you do this, you'll soon find out, have you a good debtor on your hands. The other thing we should be doing is, make it easy for people to pay. So, you should really have a credit card facility in this day and age. Most people have credit cards, so if pay is slow, they might, be amenable to paying you by credit card. Another thing I find is, you got to ask for the money. If people, owe you the money, you've agreed a deal, you've got to ask for it. A lot of business people, they just put off actually asking for the money. And then it's, important to have follow-up. So you have to be in a position to send out statements quickly and follow up, copy invoices immediately. That's a favorite ploy. And the other important thing is, there's no point in losing your cool. The important thing, any debt collector will tell you, or credit controller, you have to be persistent, very important, and polite. And I suppose finally, to really get on the ball, what you should be getting is AAA online XERO accounts. XERO is an online accounting system which we use and a lot of our clients use. The reason I call it AAA is because anywhere, anytime, any device. It's available anywhere you have an internet connection, and it's available anytime, 24/7. And any device, you can use it on your PC, your laptop, your iPad, even your iPhone, and any Android device. So it's basically, you can use it on anything. Makes it very easy to use. So I suppose now we'll move on to XERO. Quick intro into XERO, and we'll touch on those points and how XERO can help with them. So here I am now. I'm keen into the internet, into the XERO site. So now I just have to log in. and it brings me straight into my demo company. Now this is the screen you're presented with when you go into XERO. You can see the headings across the top: dashboard, accounts, reports, advisor, well that's me, contacts, and then settings, you know, how you set it up. So I suppose the best thing we look at to start is the accounts. So you see here bank accounts, sales, purchases. So just to show you how easy it is to invoice, we'll just do a sales invoice. Now, so here we are, new invoice. So here you are. Let's say the person his name begins with B. So it'll show you the B's, the date. Okay, so let's use today's date. Now here you can put in a due date. So let's say it's the 31st, and actually this will show up on the invoice. So we'll just do an invoice here now, sundry services. Quantity 1. Let's say it's €400. No discount. I have to post it to, we'll post it to the sales account. VAT. So prove that. Okay, so now you can actually, to save time, you can just email this directly. So there we are, we'll just send that off. So that's gone directly to the customer. We can have a look at this invoice just to see how easy it is. Yeah, you notice we have date on it, and due date, we have that 31st of March. So that's the date it's due then. Now, so that's obviously, that's gone into our aged receivables at this stage. So we'll have a look at it here. Sorry, reports here, aged receivables. Here we are, yeah. Boyle recruitment. That invoice there, you can see it's gone. And we mentioned also about follow-up. So I'll just show you here if we have an option here. We can send statements anytime we wish, or we can send a copy invoice, follow up. So this is a very handy facility if you're out and about and you can look up, you're calling on customers or clients, you can look up, see how much they owe you, and actually ask for the check when you're there. So some other things we can see, obviously in XERO, we can look at our profit and loss. Anytime we can have it, you know, information at our fingertips. Look at our profit and loss, and we have a dashboard as well. We can see money coming in and bank accounts, money going out. So basically that's just a flavor of how we can use XERO to get paid faster, put you in complete control of, you know, your debtors and invoicing, reports, and you know, you have up-to-date figures at all times. The other point, as I said earlier, is, you know, it's available anywhere, anytime, and any device. So if you'd like to find out more about XERO, or you'd like to take it for a test drive, why don't you give me a call or email me, and we'll be only too delighted to show you how it can help your business. So that's it for today. We'll be having another sort of short webinar in another couple of weeks, so we'd be delighted to have you here again. So thanks again for coming, and feel free to send in any queries or call me anytime. That's great. Thank you and goodbye.